What's going on, creatures? Welcome back to the graveyard. So, you guys, we are back to doing music requests. I got a whole list here still, and I really need to get to work on these. I've been behind. I've been getting request after request every day now, so gotta get busy. Anyways, today we are doing a request from Stephanie. Stephanie, I mentioned her in my last video. I was thanking her, giving her a shout out for everything she's done for me for my channel. I've gained at least 10 subscribers today alone, and that is a first for my channel. Like, I know that's not new to you other bigger YouTubers, but for me, that is a first. I usually get 10 subscribers in a week, maybe. Depends on what video I put up. But thank you again, Stephanie. You are fucking amazing, and I appreciate everything you've done for my channel and everything you continue to do in the future as a subscriber and as part of my family. And guys, just so you know, when you subscribe to my channel, you are a part of my family, okay? I really mean that. I will converse with you, I will talk with you. You comment something on my channel, I will comment back. But if it is a negative comment, I'm gonna ignore it, because who has the time for that shit? Anyways, you guys, we are gonna get into today's video. Today's video is requested from Stephanie, and she wanted me to do Hail the Apocalypse by Avatar. I have never heard Avatar before. I've heard a lot of people saying that they're really, really good, especially from Stephanie. So we're gonna get into this and we're gonna check this band out. Hopefully I'll like them. Here we go, guys. Avatar, Hail the Apocalypse. I'm already liking the guitar. I like the whole black and white thing going here, that's cool. Supposed to be like a old black and white silent movie, so that's what it looks like. Ha ha ha, look at this guy, he thinks the world's gonna end. Yeah! I like this. That's cool. I like this. This is different. It's like when I heard Ghosts for the first time, how different it was to me. This is falls in that category. It's different from anything I've ever heard. Pick that shit up. Oh. Oh, haha, you kicked me in the ass. So funny. Yeah. Here we go for solo. Shredding right there. Uh-oh, something's going on. The apocalypse. Poof, motherfucker. Hell yeah. Love this. Wow. Poof went the earth. That was cool. That was really cool. I like that. That's going on my download list. Yeah, I really like that. Definitely going on my download list. Definitely one of my favorite bands now. I'm gonna have to listen to some more of their stuff though. Anyways, you guys, that was my video and my reaction to Avatar: Hail the Apocalypse. Thank you again, Stephanie, for requesting this. I look forward to more requests from you in the future. I gotta get this list done. If you guys have a request, make sure to put it in the comments down below, and I will add it to my list, and I will get to it as soon as I possibly can. And you guys, I am working on a Patreon and an official Facebook page. Once those are up, you'll be able to contact me on there. Give me a request, just shoot me a message, tell me how your day was. You know, just be real with me, and I'll be real with you back. You know, like I said before, you're like family to me once you're a subscriber. I love making new friends. I love meeting new people. Yeah, just hit me up, and we'll have a full-blown conversation and get to know each other. Hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to hit that like button if you did, and be sure to subscribe and be a part of the graveyard. Also, guys, be sure to hit that notification bell to the side so you'll be notified every single time I upload, and you will never miss out. With that all being said, love you guys, and as always, stay terrified.